Hi, Sharon Danley here with another 2-minute tip, and this week the soapbox is out. Inspiration or beauty boasting? So often, beautiful women with beautiful hair, trim figures, beautiful faces, beautiful ensembles are paraded past the masses as inspiration. Result? Many women feel they don't quite measure up. It eats at their already lower self-esteem that's already been manufactured by the beauty industry's constant bombardment of propaganda over the years. But the double whammy at the mature stage of life is that many women experience decreased mobility, recovery from cancers, strokes, and other medical conditions, plus hair loss and facial and body changes. Yet we don't see these women reflected in the media. Rather, matriarchs are seen in often silly get-ups, doing silly things and making silly statements. I know I would prefer to see more of those who've overcome incredible odds in the spotlight. The growing frustration I have at this stage is we see a lot of lifestyle models projecting the false image that you can still do anything you used to do 30 years ago. They appear well-financed, attractive, with a plethora of airbrushing surgeries, etc. They give the impression that they have it all and have rarely experienced a difficult or emotional challenge. It's false, it's unfair, and it creates a destructive hierarchy. We women need to embrace where we are now and still put our best foot, face, and frock forward in a way that suits us at this stage, and do it with some elegance and grace, whatever our state is. Beauty boasting is not something I'm very keen on. After all, your genes were given to you. But a truly inspirational life is one of hard work, overcoming, constant learning, and choosing to be better. Images that boast, "Look at me," with nothing else to offer, are hollow, often ask for your money, or are a cry for compliments to feed the vortex of unhealthy self-esteem. Like all good things, it's a balance and reality check every 5 years. Don't let a manufactured illusion feed your self-esteem. Do put your best self forward, coupled with a kind and loving heart. Be that honest example and healthy message to other women and to the younger women coming up behind us. That's what real beauty is all about in this elder's book. Okay, soapbox is away, the doors are closed, and we'll see you next time.